Once again.
Hello, welcome to day 10 of our house renovation. Today we're going to hang some sheetrock in the bathroom. Strip some more paint, keep pecking away at fixing the walls and shit so we can get this place ready to be painted. The overflow is going in the tub. I'm going to have to fucking get my trimmer thing and trim some of that overhang on that shower stall right there. And we just keep pecking away at it and see where we get. Just try to get this sheetrock in here hung. Get some taping and mudding going on in here. Got a lot of taping. So I've decided that I'm gonna go ahead and pull these screws out and put my sheetrock up there and then run the screws through so that they bed into the sheetrock, because I gotta put a metal corner on here anyway. I'm gonna do that all the way down and all the way up and over and around this son of a bitch. All the way down. So that's where we're at. We gotta go ahead and get all that shit done and get the sheetrock put in here. Alright, so go ahead and measure the width right there. Cut the width of the sheetrock and sit it up there and mark out where the window is and cut out for around that window right there. Then I go ahead and push that piece in and fucking screw that bitch down. And then I'll make a piece to go up there. And then I'm going around the top of this motherfucker like that. And then come down this corner right here. All right, so now we're at the end of day 10. All of the fucking water is back on. We got water. Water in the tub. And hung all that fucking sheetrock and everything. Metal corner bead is in. Sheetrock around there, down here. Come back in here on Monday, because I don't work on weekends, and tape and mud all this shit. Did that a couple times, just put the trim back in, get in here and paint, and then put the tile in and set the toilet, put the door back on, this room will be done. And here, all the holes in the walls that they knocked have been patched with tape and mud. And there's a lot of them. God damn. That fucking Dave scraped that shit off the windows and stuff. That's gone. Got a little patch going on that door where they knocked a hole in that bitch. And here, most all that shit is all off the ceiling now. We washed most of that graffiti and stuff off the wall. I don't know what the hell they put it on there with, makeup, chalk, who knows. Anyway, got most of that shit off so it doesn't bleed back through our paint and primer. But that's where we are in that room. Another day in the bathroom. Didn't really do anything in here. Although, this guy came by today, a friend of mine came by today and got all the vines and shit off the front of the house. And sprayed Roundup and cleaned all that shit up. Cut the grass, trimmed the bushes. We can give it a little bit of curve appeal. God damn. Get a fucking glaze all them windows again and paint them. Did glaze. No, that shit's old school. We got window glazing. And it's time for me to pack up my little shit off of my makeshift desk and take off for the weekend. Tomorrow I'm gonna smoke some racks of ribs, 14 hours with some cherry wood or apple wood and pecan. Some people call it pecan. Anyway, so we got water. Shower. All this shit will look a lot better when it's fucking all mudded in and shit. I guess Dave already cut the wood off. Got plenty of fucking shelves for storing your soap and all your bullshit. So, I'm gone. Please subscribe to Get Go TV and leave a comment if you got any questions about what we're doing or any of our other videos. Just ask a question in the comment section or email me, and I will be sure to answer your question. Take advantage of the other 300 videos that I have uploaded, and maybe you might see how to do something to help you out a little bit. We'll be uploading shit daily. This is the 10th day, so there's 9 other days of this renovation. If you're just coming into it right now and you're interested, you can go back to day 1 and start watching it from the beginning. So y'all have a good day. Subscribe to Get Go TV. Leave a comment. Hit the little bell notification so you know when I upload a new video. And some of the graffiti on the wall. So hit the little bell when we upload another video so you know what we're doing. When we upload a new video, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. That supports the channel. That gives us incentive to make more videos. And if you got any ideas on a video or how to do something that you'd like us to make a video of, just leave it in the comment section and we'll make that video if we can. So y'all have a good weekend now. Be safe. And I'm going to cut this motherfucker off and hit the trail. This will be a 30. Have a good one.